Cough syrups are a common sight in our medicine cabinets, often the first line of defense against a persistent cough. They offer relief from the irritating and often debilitating symptoms of a cough, providing much-needed comfort and rest. Whether it's a dry cough that keeps you up at night, or a chesty cough making it hard to breathe, cough syrups are formulated to help alleviate these symptoms. These syrups work in a variety of ways to soothe your throat, clear airways, and ultimately provide comfort, allowing you to get back to your daily activities. Cough syrups are generally safe and effective when used as directed, but it's important to follow the dosage instructions carefully. However, it's crucial to understand what goes into these formulations to make informed decisions about your health and well-being. This exploration into the world of cough syrups will delve into the ingredients, their roles, and the manufacturing process, ensuring clarity and understanding for everyone. From common over-the-counter options to prescription-strength formulas, cough syrups are readily available to address various cough types and severities, making them accessible for all. By understanding the components and their functions, we can better appreciate the science and care that go into producing these widely used medications, ensuring their effectiveness. Join us as we break down the science behind cough syrups, empowering you with the knowledge to make informed choices for yourself and your loved ones, ensuring better health outcomes. At the heart of every cough syrup lie active pharmaceutical ingredients, or APIs. These are the components responsible for directly addressing the cough. Different APIs target different types of coughs, so understanding their specific actions is crucial. One common API is Dextromethorphan, often shortened to DXM. DXM acts on the brain to suppress the cough reflex, providing relief from dry coughs that stem from irritation. Another frequently used API is Guaifenesin, which works as an expectorant. Guaifenesin helps to thin the mucus in the airways, making it easier to cough up phlegm and clear congestion. In addition to these, some cough syrups may contain antihistamines like Diphenhydramine or chlorpheniramine to relieve allergy symptoms that can trigger coughs. Decongestants such as pseudoephedrine or phenylephrine might also be included to reduce nasal congestion and improve breathing. It's important to note that the specific APIs and their concentrations can vary significantly between cough syrup formulations. Always consult with a healthcare professional or pharmacist to determine the most appropriate cough syrup for your specific needs. They can help you navigate the various options and choose a product that effectively addresses your symptoms. While active ingredients take center stage, solvents play a critical role in ensuring these APIs are effectively delivered. Solvents are liquids used to dissolve the APIs and other ingredients, creating a uniform and consistent solution. This ensures that every dose contains the correct concentration of medication. Water is the most commonly used solvent in cough syrups due to its ability to dissolve a wide range of substances and its compatibility with the human body. However, other solvents like glycerin, propylene glycol, and alcohol might be incorporated to enhance solubility, improve taste, or act as preservatives. The choice of solvent depends on various factors, including the solubility of the APIs, desired viscosity of the syrup, and potential interactions with other ingredients. The manufacturing process carefully considers these factors to ensure the final product is stable, effective, and safe for consumption. Beyond their dissolving properties, solvents also contribute to the overall texture and mouthfeel of the cough syrup. The right balance of solvents ensures the syrup is easy to swallow, pleasant to taste, and doesn't leave an unpleasant aftertaste. Section 4. Sweet relief sugars and alternatives. Cough syrups are often associated with the sweet taste, and for good reason. The sweetness not only makes the medicine more palatable, but also helps in masking the often unpleasant taste of the active pharmaceutical ingredients, APIs. Sweetening agents are added to these formulations to mask the bitterness of some APIs and make them more palatable, especially for children. This is crucial because children are particularly sensitive to bitter tastes, which can make administering medicine a challenge. These sweeteners play a crucial role in improving patient compliance, particularly for those who struggle with swallowing pills or dislike the taste of medicine. By making the medicine taste better, patients are more likely to take it as prescribed. Sucrose, commonly known as table sugar, is a widely used sweetener in cough syrups. It not only provides a familiar sweetness, but also helps in enhancing the texture and viscosity of the syrup. It provides a familiar sweetness and contributes to the syrup's viscosity. This thickness can help in soothing the throat, providing an additional layer of relief. However, for individuals with dietary restrictions or those looking for healthier alternatives, sugar-free options are also available. These options cater to people who need to manage their sugar intake, such as diabetics. Sugar alcohols like sorbitol, xylitol and mannitol are popular sugar substitutes that offer sweetness without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. They're often used in formulations aimed at providing a healthier alternative. These alternatives are often used in cough syrups marketed as sugar-free or diabetic-friendly. This makes it easier for people with specific dietary needs to find suitable options. Additionally, artificial sweeteners like aspartame, saccharin or sucralose might be incorporated to provide a sweet taste with fewer calories. These are particularly useful for those who are calorie conscious. The choice of sweetener depends on the target audience, desired sweetness level, and any specific dietary considerations. Pharmacists and manufacturers work together to select the most appropriate sweetening agents. Manufacturers carefully select sweeteners that complement the overall formulation, ensuring the final product is both effective and enjoyable to consume. This meticulous process helps in creating a product that meets both therapeutic and sensory expectations. Section 5. Taste and appearance, the role of flavor and color. While sweetness is essential, flavoring agents play a crucial role in enhancing the palatability of cough syrups. These agents are carefully selected to ensure they complement the medicinal ingredients without overpowering them. These agents mask any unpleasant tastes from the APIs or other ingredients, making the syrup more appealing to consume. This is particularly important for children who are often sensitive to bitter or medicinal flavors. Popular flavor choices include cherry, grape, orange, bubblegum, and menthol, catering to a wide range of preferences, especially among children. These flavors are chosen based on extensive market research and consumer feedback. Coloring agents are often added alongside flavorings to further enhance the sensory experience. The visual appeal of a product can significantly influence a patient's willingness to take their medication. These agents impart a visually appealing color to the syrup, making it more attractive and recognizable. A well-chosen color can also help in brand differentiation. The color often aligns with the chosen flavor, creating a cohesive sensory experience. This alignment helps in reinforcing the flavor expectation and overall satisfaction. For instance, a cherry-flavored cough syrup might have a vibrant red hue, while a menthol-flavored one might be a refreshing green. This visual cue helps in easy identification and enhances user experience. The selection of flavors and colors is a meticulous process, considering factors such as target audience, cultural preferences, and potential allergic reactions. This ensures the product is safe and well received by the market. Manufacturers strive to create a product that is not only effective but also enjoyable to consume, promoting patient compliance and ultimately aiding in recovery. A pleasant taste and appealing color can make a significant difference in a patient's willingness to take their medication regularly. Beyond aesthetics, flavor and color consistency also play a role in quality control. Ensuring each batch meets the same standards is crucial for maintaining consumer trust and product efficacy. Any deviations from the expected appearance or taste could indicate a problem with the manufacturing process or ingredient quality. Regular quality checks help in identifying and rectifying such issues promptly. Section 6. Preserving quality, keeping it safe. Preservatives are essential components of cough syrup formulations, ensuring the product remains safe and effective throughout its shelf life. These agents prevent the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, and mold, which can contaminate the syrup and pose health risks. Commonly used preservatives in cough syrups include benzoic acid, sodium benzoate, parabens like methylparaben and propylparaben, and potassium sorbate. These preservatives work by creating an environment that is inhospitable to microbial growth, maintaining the syrup's sterility and extending its shelf life. The concentration of preservatives used is carefully calculated to ensure effectiveness, while minimizing any potential for adverse reactions. Regulatory agencies like the Food and Drug Administration in the United States and the European Medicines Agency in Europe set strict guidelines for the type and amount of preservatives allowed in pharmaceutical products. Proper manufacturing practices, including sterile production environments and rigorous quality control measures, work in conjunction with preservatives to ensure the safety and efficacy of cough syrups. These combined efforts guarantee that consumers receive a product free from harmful contaminants and suitable for consumption throughout its intended shelf life.